Hello friends. This is a special question that has been asked by many students in front of you. So it is a question of individual and group replacement. But in this question there were some few points. So I would like to discuss these points with you. Now you can see in this question, as we have already done the group replacement and individual replacement video, the question will be done in the same manner. There are few different things in this. Like in this question, it's given that computer has 1000 electronic tubes and maximum life is 500. And the probability that the failure at different periods of time is as follows. So you have been given the periods 1 to 500 hours, and age of failure is also given 0 to 500. So probability of failure is given 0.10, 0.26, like as it is given in usual questions. And it's given that replacement, if you are doing individual replacement, it is going to cost rupees 60, and group replacement is going to cost rupees 15. So which replacement policy should be adopted? So now confusion in your minds might be what we have to do with the second column, that is age at failures. 0 to 100, 101 to 200. You need not do anything with this. This is just the additional information given to you. Another information was asked by the question, and the question by the students was in the first line. Just check, a line is given, computer has 1000 electronic tubes, maximum life of which is 500 hours. So this is the same that is given in the second column, 500 hours, 0 to 500. So you need not do anything. The 1000 is your n, probability is given, period is given, so x is there, probability is there. So you can do it in a very simple question like. So let's do this question once. So as you have seen in the question, the period was given. So period is nothing, that your x is given in the question. And the period was given from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you have been given the probability of failure. You have to use that probability of failure, 0.10, 0.26, 0.35, 0.22, 0.07. So like this you have been given the probability also. So in the middle the column is given of age of failure. So you need not do anything, that is just the additional information. So as we generally do, we will calculate PA1X1 0 into 0.10. This will be 0.10 only. So this is my x, and this is the P. So we are calculating P into x. 0.26 into 2, 0.52, 3 into 0.35 is 1.05, next will be 0.88 and last will be 0.35. So now as we generally do in the questions, we have to add this sigma PYXI, this comes out to be 2.90. So now from here we will calculate what is the expected number of failures. So for expected number of failures, we have done in various questions, the formula we apply is capital N PIXI. So capital N is there in the question. Capital N is given 1000 in the question. So you need not confuse it with 500 given. 500 is the same, that is age. So this will be 1000, N is given, and this is 2.90. So expected number of failures comes out to be 345. It means these many bulbs will fail. So whenever the bulb is failing, you have to replace it. So now from here we can calculate the cost of individual replacement. The individual replacement cost is given in the question rupees 60. Whenever a bulb is failing, it is costing rupees 60. So it will be 345 into rupees 60. So individual replacement cost comes out to be 20,700. So first part of the question is done. So in the second part of the question, we will calculate the group replacement cost. For the group replacement cost, we will make the table. And before making the table, let us calculate the values of first is N. N is given in the question, that we call N0. That is 1000. We call it N0. Next comes out to be N1. For N1, you have to calculate the formula N0P1. So in the question, N0 is 1000 and P1, you can check the probability, first probability, that is 0.10. So it comes out to be 100. So this is N1. Like this you will calculate N2. For N2 the formula is N0P2. plus N1 P1. So the values will be 1000 into 0.26 plus N1 we have calculated 100 into P1 is 0.10. So with this comes out to be 270. So like this we will calculate all other values. So these are the values that you will get. N3 comes out to be 403 with the formula, N4 comes out to be 365, and N5 comes out to be 328. This all you can check from our basic video related to group replacement and individual replacement. What are the formulas? Now let's put this in the table. So the table is going to give you the average cost. That will be helpful just to identify which alternative is best. So the first column is what are the period or time. We have been given 5 years time period. Then number of failures that we just calculated from the formulas. So first one was 100 number of failures in the first period, then 270, then 403, 365 and 328. So these are the failures. So when they will be failing, first of all we will calculate the cumulative failures. So what will be the failures at the end of every period? If we cumulate it, this comes out to be 100, next will be 370, then is 773. Just we have to add the next value, 1138, and last one is 1466. So when these many tubes are failing, so we have to calculate the individual replacement cost first. Individual replacement cost was given in the question, that was rupees 60. So we are going to multiply this column with 60. So first will be 6000, then 22200, then 46380, then is 68280, and last is 87960. So just to take a decision, what we have to do, we have to calculate group replacement cost. So group replacement cost means total 1000 tubes, and the group replacement cost given in the question was 15 rupees. So it will be 15,000 for every level, because group replacement means whenever the bulbs are failing, then we are replacing with the individual, but we have a policy that we will replace all the bulbs at after a particular time period. So after this, what we have to do, we have to add these both. So we will calculate the total cost. So total cost will be individual cost and group cost. We will add both of them. So 6,000 and 15,000, 21,000. Next will be 37200. Then is 61380, 83280, and the last one is 102960. So after calculating this total cost, what we will do is we will calculate the average cost. For the average cost, you have to divide this with the number of years. So 21,000 divided by 1 is 21,000. Next is 18600. So like this we will calculate for each and every level. At the third level, it comes out to be 20460, then 20820, 20592. So which is the minimum? This one is the minimum. So it means second year. So now let us just compare this 18600 with our individual replacement cost. Individual replacement cost was 20,700. So of course 18,600 is less than 20,700. So we will give a conclusion that go with the group replacement policy. So you need not confuse with the additional information given. Just solve the question like this. Thanks a lot.